So we can hear a funny noise coming from this step motor. It's kind of like wanka, 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 wanka. Thunk, 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 thunk. Sometimes you'll hear them up here. Thunk, 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 thunk. Sometimes back there. Thunk, 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 thunk. Those are the little step motors that are controlling airflow by moving a door. And if you get that going on, could mean that you need to replace that step motor, which isn't too difficult, but you could try this reset first. The other symptom you may have that this reset will work for is if you're asking for cold, but maybe you have maybe hot like this, and rather than having hot coming out of here and hot coming out of here, you have hot coming out of here, but maybe cold coming out of here. That means that door is just kind of mixed up. So the reset makes the computer able to talk with the step motors again, and it calibrates them. So the way that we can do the reset is we'll go ahead and just turn off the key. We're going to go up in the front. We're going to pull one of the fuses. So you pull this off your fuse box. It's in the front, and you can look for one that says Hvac/ECAS. It's a 10 amp. Use your little map here to help you find it. So it's this one right here. So I'm going to pull that out, and I'm going to just give it a full minute, and then I'll put it back in. Wait a full minute. We'll go ahead and put that one back in. Make sure it's all the way seated. Put our top back on. We're going to go back inside the car. Alright, we're going to turn this key on to that position right before where it's ready to start the engine. And we're going to wait about 5 minutes. You're going to hear some rumbling around down here, over there. In the back, those are all the step motors in the whole car recalibrating. Sounds like it's probably done, but I'll wait the full 5 minutes. I can hear a little bit of action still going on down here. And then I'm just going to start the car all the way, let the engine run for a minute, and then shut it off. I can still hear some motion down here in this step motor trying to calibrate. So the computer is pushing the door all the way to one full open position, and then bring it all the way back. And if you can get the calibration done, you should end up with no more weird problems with calling for heat but getting cold, or calling for cold and getting heat. Or with this guy too, moving this around to the different positions, it should just go right to where it's supposed to go. Alright, we're going to go ahead and turn it back on. So I'm making sure these are all blowing cold air, because I'm asking for cold. Those seem good, nice and cold. Try moving the air around. That's good. Try the feet only. Yep. That's good. Frost. So that seems good. I'm going to try the heat now. So we'll go up for both stations. Go up for this one. Okay, I got hot air right away. Hot air. This is after the truck is warmed up. Hot air. And hot air. Alright. So I don't have that clinking sound anymore after the reset. Turn off this fan. It's just silent. So that's a good trick. Pretty easy to do. It's just you pulling that fuse, waiting a full minute, put the fuse back in, turn the key to the position right before the car is about to start, and wait about 5 minutes and you'll hear all these different step motors going through their full calibration, turning all the way. And then the computer learns where they are and learns how to control them. It takes about 5 minutes, and then you can turn the engine on for about a minute, turn it off, and you're done. And it should cure a lot of those problems like that weird ticking, or where you're asking heat, you're getting cold, or asking cold and getting heat. And hopefully that'll help you. So thanks for watching, and hope you guys